Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On the quick panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the airplane, and this is the airplane mode icon. Once you find it, tap on it to enable the mode, and you will see the message airplane mode. The icon will get highlighted, get the white background, and it also will appear right here at the top, which indicates the mode is enabled. And if you go to the watch face, it will also be at the watch face or on the watch face, which also indicates that the mode is turned on. And if you want to disable the mode, open the quick panel, find the airplane mode icon, tap on it. You will see the message airplane mode. The icon will go back to the gray color. It will disappear from the top of the quick panel and from the watch face. And that's how you know that the airplane mode is disabled. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.